Don't you just hate it when one of your favorite t-shirts gets a hole in it? There is a simple solution on how to fix it. I'm Jan Howell and I'm here with another hack for you. I'm going to show you how you can mend a t-shirt hole and there's no sewing required. I don't know what it is, but I seem to get a lot of holes in my shirt, and it's down on the bottom where I think my t-shirt rubs on my belt buckle or on my jeans button. And I was so glad to find out this tip and trick on how to fix those holes so I didn't have to throw them away. This really is a quick project. There's only just a few things that you'll need. You'll need an iron, an ironing mat, or an ironing board, a pair of fabric scissors, some of the stitch witchery, some lightweight iron-on interfacing. Now, you're probably wondering why we just don't use the interfacing, the iron-on interfacing to fix it. But this stitch witchery webbing has glue on it, and it seems to pull in the fibers of the t-shirt material to close off that hole. But if we were to use that alone, it would get all over the iron. And so we use a lightweight interfacing to put on top of that. One side of the interfacing will have a smooth surface and the other will have glue and a bumpy surface. You'll just need to cut out a square of each. Round off the corners. And you'll want the webbing to be a little bit smaller than the iron-on interfacing. Flip the shirt over so the wrong side is facing up. Smooth out the fabric and place the webbing first onto the hole and then the iron-on facing. Make sure the bumpy side is facing down. Take the iron and set it on a cotton and a steam setting and place the iron on top of the webbing. Don't move it around. Just hold it there for about 10 seconds and that should do the trick. Let's flip it over and see if we can find the hole. Take your fingernails and just kind of move those edges of the hole in towards each other. Let's see if we can find the hole. It's hard to even find. That's what it'll look like on the back side, and you can hardly see it. So how do you keep from getting these little holes in your t-shirt? If you'll go to my website and in the description below, I share with you some tips on what to do and a little product that you can use to cover your button that will protect your t-shirts. So make sure you check that out. These little patches are washable, so don't be afraid to wash your t-shirt. See, now wasn't that simple and quick? T-shirt, good as new. If you like that tutorial, make sure you share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell so you can be notified when I put new things up. And you can also find more of these tips and tricks and DIY projects, sewing patterns on my website, youmakeitsimple.com. Be sure to check out my other t-shirt tutorials and my upcycling t-shirt tutorials, and stay tuned because I have some really fun things that you can do to modify a t-shirt in several different ways. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.